Hello everyone and welcome to the programming hours. In this video we'll set up our my domain and DevHub. So let's get started. So my domain, it's a very important features in Salesforce. So uh, if you have seen, like when you have created a developer org newly, and when you log into your developer org, so it will give you a random URL like d5j00-dev.lightningforce.com, like that. It can be anything, but to set up a meaningful URL you have to enable your domain. uh, Customized domain also provide provide you a security, more security features in Salesforce, as well as some features of the Salesforce also required a custom domain. So it's very important to set up our custom domain first. Since custom domain also required to create our scratchog, that we will discuss in our upcoming video, what is scratchog and what it will do. Second thing, we have to enable our DevHub. So DevHub is something uh, which is help us to create a scratchog and manage a DevHub from command line. So let's say whenever we are working with the LWC, so in this LWC, while pushing the command, while pushing the code to the DevOps and to run our projects, all command line argument will be required. So it will help us to manage our scratchog and DevHub from a command line. So let's get login to the DevHub. So once you log into your setup home, just search for the domain, and inside the company setting click on the my domain. Here first step you need to do is you have to click on this edit button, this under this my domain detail, click on this edit button, and first challenge you have to first challenge for you is search a meaningful domain based on your requirement. So let's say I am going for programming hours. Let's check the availability. Okay, so it's available. Once you will uh, enter your domain and check the availability, just click on the save button and click on OK. So first step we have done, that is choose and register my domain. The second step is Salesforce provisions your domain. So that means background it is doing some verifications kind of thing, so you don't have to do anything, just refresh the page. There is one stop button also, you don't have to click on this, just keep on refreshing your page. You can see like it's saying your new domain is being provisions. After provisioning completes, deploy new domain for your changes to take effects. You will receive an email with the provisioning in the is completed. So that means once the provisioning will be completed, it will send, Salesforce will send you a email. In that mail you don't have to click any URL and link and all, so it's automatic get provisions. After that you can deploy this domain. So you can see now, for me provisioning for my domain has been completed now, and I'm getting two button over here. One is deploy new domain and keep current domain. So let me deploy this one. Just click on the deploy new domain, and it will ask you to log in again. So enter your username, so now you can see in the URL Previously we are having some random text over here, but now after setting our domain, we are getting programming hours dash dev.ed. So this is the permanent only. Okay, so this will get while you will also set up your domain, you will get this the last suffix of this one. So once this setup has been done, we need to enable our DevHub. So for this, just click on the search bar and type dev. So and under the development, click on the DevHub. It will open page like this, and you have to enable this checkbox. One more thing, like once you will enable this enable DevHub, you won't able to disable it. So make sure you won't able to disable it. So I'm just clicking here to enable it. So we are done now. So in this video we have learned how to set up our domain and how to enable our DevHub. In the upcoming video, means in the next video, we will learn how to create our scratch jog and how to set up our LWC component, from where we will start our project to build our application and building our components and deploy into the DevOps. So that's it for from my side. Thank you.